The image-to-video model from Tencent Hunyuan was released as open source on schedule, and ComfyUI supported it right away. In this video, we'll briefly observe the workflow of the Hunyuan image-to-video model in ComfyUI natively, along with the corresponding GGUF quantization model and TeaCache acceleration combination, as well as a comparison with the Wanxiang image-to-video model.
Okay, let's take a look at the workflow. I'm using the RunningHub online ComfyUI platform here. Navigate to RunningHub and click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register. You'll receive 12 gigabits each time and an additional 100 points every day you log in. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.
It's no different from the native workflow of General Motors ADAS. At Viva Video, it encodes images into one image to video. Here in Hunyuan, images are encoded into text encoding and then fed into Hunyuan's image to video model.
The rest is almost the same.
I paid attention to the details here and didn't use an official model. I used it directly instead. Quantization model Q8, if using the official model, it is recommended to set this to FP8 for most devices, otherwise the memory may overflow. Select an image here to set the placement for our image to video generation. Using a node like mixed reality image to video, we can define the width, height, and length of the video. What comes next is just a K-camera VAE decoding with tide weights. If the memory usage is too high here, we can lower this value slightly. For example, change 256 to 128 and 64 to 32. Image from batch, set this to 4. How to explain it? Delete the first 4 frames. ComfyUI officially says that the code for Hunyuan removes the first 4 frames because they sometimes produce poor results. Since this is an adaptation based on the official process, I kept the final step as a color match directly. So in the previous unofficial fine-tuned models of Skyverse, there was already color distortion in videos with mixed elements. Therefore, we need to correct and align the output videos with the images. After coming out, we'll slightly enlarge it by double. This place uses 24 frames per second, so to save computing power, we just skip the frame interpolation. So the last point is that acceleration technologies like TeaCache also apply to Huawei's image-to-video generation. If you're interested, you can try it online. Then we move on to a comparison test with Wanxiang Video. There is a specific precondition here. Both models use the same resolution of 480x720, which is the traditional 480p. This conclusion does not apply to full precision models, larger resolutions, bigger sizes, or the APIs we have integrated online. First, look at this rough test. On the left is Hunyuan, and for Kratos, it's clearly superior with no movement at all. Multiple pools still failed to let him swing his axe, and the dynamic of riding a motorcycle was relatively minimal, essentially staying still. This image is challenging for most image-based videos. The two results on the right don't look very different. Maybe there's a color bias issue. We see the final challenge. I input the prompt. A woman picks up a bowl in the kitchen and smiles at the camera. The result of both videos is 3 seconds. One has 24 frames per second, and the other has 16 frames per second. It's clearly visible that within 3 seconds of motion, the Viva video absolutely won. Not only did it complete the tasks I instructed, but it also imagined the woman's face. But for the fire source video, it seemed like the rendering wasn't complete, so I extended the duration to 129 frames, which is roughly 5 seconds, and then performed 6 more random attempts. Let's take 5 seconds to look at the results. So, in those 6 results, there are all very excellent elements, and even some can look directly into the camera. But in terms of local computing power, we actually don't have it. The success rate of drawing models on 480p and Wanxiang Video is high. If you're interested, you can try it yourself. Load the avatar and set up the prompt, then run it. After puzzling me for some time, let's take a look at the official website feedback from Tencent's Hunyuan AI video, which is very impressive. This suggests that Wanxiang Video has especially optimized video performance even at low resolutions. There's no way to know about the rest. The model will still be bundled into my existing link. Download the corresponding model and place it in the designated directory to run normally. I've also uploaded the quantized model in sync. If the configuration is insufficient for the text encoder, choose the large code 3 FP8 quantized model, which still comes from our familiar KJ. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It has brought down the prices of many popular models like V2. Some models like Kelly and Wanxiang have specifications that are even lower than the officially announced prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up over time really adds up.